Pandas read_CSV on file without space. As the dataset doesn't care much about spacing, while lines 1, 2 and 4 can be read in Pandas easily with either sep equals or dilemma_whitespace equals true, I'm afraid I can't do the same for line 3. There's very little I can do to the input data file as it's generated from a third-party software. Apart from doing some formatting in Excel, which seemed counterintuitive, please, is there something in Pandas allowing me to specify the number of characters, in my case, 5, as a delimiter? Advice much appreciated.
I think what you're looking for is pd.read_fwf to read a fixed width file. In this case, you would specify column specifications. The column specifications are 0 indexed and end exclusive. You could also use the widths parameter, but I would avoid using it before stripping the out to ensure that your variables are properly read in as numbers rather than as strings starting or ending with a pipe. This would, in this case, produce I passed header equals none due to the lack of a header in your sample data. You may need to adjust as needed. I also stripped out all the blank lines in your input. If there are in fact blank lines in the input, then I would first run \and .join s for s in input_string.split \, and if len s.strip not equals 0, before passing it to be parsed. There, you would also need to first load the file as a string, clean it, and then pass it with io.stringio to read_fwf.
With read_CSV, you can specify the sep as a group of 4 or 5 digits, then keep only the columns with the numbers.
Or you can just load the data and take the advance of the text wrap module, just specify the width and it'll generate the columns for you. Output.
I would just use dfmy_col.str0 column 6, after reading it in as one column. If your file is just this data, then ifly6's use of read_fwf is more appropriate. I just assumed that this is one column as part of a larger CSV, in which case this is the approach I would use.
Thank you.